This is a 11.8-inch flush mount dimmable light, 3000 to 6000 Kelvin. Some assembly will be required. The 24-watt LED system shows you how nicely it comes packaged or protected. A junction box and wiring hook up with the hardware, and the plastic frosted cover slide on and ready to use. These are the LEDs and the choice of Kelvin by switching before putting the cover on. Setup is finding the center hole, sliding all the leads through. Once all the leads are through, locate your ground, tie down, hands free, and hook up your load and neutral. Lift and secure into place. Tuck leads away and match up the holes. Rotate and adjust screws. So as we throw the switch and the light comes on, and we adjust our Kelvin accordingly to the brightness levels. We are on 3000 and increasing to 6000. And then we simply take the cover and snap in and adjust. The light will hook up to a dimmer switch. With the increase of 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, your dimmer switch can be ran remote control, wall switch with a dimmer of your choice. We can increase and decrease the levels of lighting. This is a 24 light with up to 6000 Kelvin. It is a round design, 11.8 inches with about 3 to 4 inches in depth with a gold diameter look and a frosted light look. We'll give a close-up shot of the light and enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your lighting needs. As we're close up to the light, you can see the gold accent and the design. Grabbing and twisting to remove with ease. And the changing of a cool to warm Kelvin. Sliding back the cover to the center and adjusting. From a cool Kelvin to a warm Kelvin, the Suenigle lighting. 24 watt, dimmable, 3000 through 6000 Kelvin. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your household needs. For the living room, bathroom, hallways, low profile ceilings, and more. Thank you for viewing.